Today at 1:30 in the morning, someone has hit a fire hydrant and the fire hydrant flew off. And now there is
2:11. See the time? 2:11.
Now there is water squirting out of the ground about 100 feet tall. Right, that right there. It is 1:30 in the morning, and we came outside, and it turns out someone has hit a fire hydrant, and the fire hydrant fell off, and now there's water squirting out of the ground. It's like 100 feet tall. There is ambulance and cops. Someone got carried away on a stretcher because when she hit it, she got injured. And the street is flooded about a foot tall. Right now there are fire engines and cop cars all around our house because someone hit a fire hydrant, and that big white thing is water squirting everywhere about 100 feet high. Here's some firefighters. After someone crashing into a fire hydrant and having like 100 feet tall squid out, they have now calmed it down and the water has stopped squidding everywhere.
Oh, it's cold.
Now there's no more geyser thanks to the cops and the fire hydrants.
I want to see the palm tree.
The firefighter has stopped the water. After the big huge water squirting out of the ground has been fixed, let's see what the damage it's done. It's knocked down a palm tree and injured some people and broken a car.